All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to load the video from your Ray-Ban stories onto your app. First thing you got to do is go to settings, make sure your Bluetooth is on. So we're going to click that. We're going to turn Bluetooth on, and it should find it right here. This is what we want. We want to connect it, and it's searching for this, but the reason it can't find it is because I haven't turned the glasses on yet. Right? So we've got to take the glasses, flip them around like this, open them up, and we're going to come right over here to this one corner here, and we've got to turn them on. See, it says connection unsuccessful. So to do this, we're going to press this over like that and kind of hold it. And now we're going to click it and see if it connects. Bam, so now we're connected, right? And it takes me right to the app. Look, you can see it over here. It opened the app up for me. I didn't have to do anything. All right, look, we're at 96%, and I've got 26 media found. So I want to import those, so I'm going to hit import. And what it's going to do, it says it's joining the Wi-Fi to import. Okay, we're going to join. All right, glasses storage full. Import what's on your glasses to take more photos. Okay, that's what we're doing. Please keep the app open, so we've got to keep it open. I'm gonna set my glasses right there for now. And bam, Bob's your uncle. There we go, we're importing. We've got 1 of 26. This may take a while. So the downloading of the media took a little bit longer than I thought. This is probably about 10 minutes, but I sped it up, of course. I sped it up all along the way, you'll see. An error occurred. Okay, what is it? Retry. Join. Please keep the app open. Okay. Apparently 9 of them didn't get in. You can see it's sucking the energy out of the glasses. Look, I'm at 80% already. That I don't like. We're almost there, 2 more. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Let's view him. Let's back it up a little bit. All right, so let's close that. And so, yeah, check it out. These are all, it tells the days that I did the shots too. You can see that. It's all in there. I can go to the camera roll too. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, it's full, but let's go in here anyway. Whoops. Let's go to the... All right, so here's the last ones that I did. And yeah, it went right into the camera roll, so I've got them all saved here. These are the last shots that I did yesterday. So that's how it works, basically. That's how you get your media from your glasses onto your iPhone. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.